This is part two of how to track student attendance on e-learning days using your Google Forms. So we've created our Google Forms. A couple of days have gone by. Students have logged on. They've completed their Google Forms, their attendance check-ins. And so now we want to record that information into we want to open that information up and record that information into our Infinite Campus gradebook. So how do we do that? Well, we begin by looking for our forms. So let's take Thursday's form. Let's do Thursday's attendance. I'm going to open it up, click on the form. Because I am the owner of this form, I am going to have and be able to see an edit button down in the lower right-hand corner. When I click on the edit form, that will allow me to see responses. So I go up to the top, I see that 2 people responded on this particular day. I'm going to click on the responses, and actually I'm going to be able to see everybody who responded to this form on this day. I can scroll and I can see the information this way. Or what I like to do is I like to create a more permanent record by viewing responses in Google Sheets or a spreadsheet. So you click on the icon, it's going to create a new spreadsheet. When it does this, it allows me to see the actual timestamp, the actual time when the individual students actually logged in, the date and the time. So irregardless of what date they claimed they logged on, I'm going to be able to see the exact day. And here I can also see the questions that they posted, and we can see that this is a Thursday's responses. I can rename this form, simply put the date on there. So if let's say that it was last Thursday, I want to put down 031220 session 1 attendance responses. That way I'll be able to see. So if I had 25 students who logged on that day, I'd have 25 students listed, and now that form is saved and I'll be able to see it that way. Let's exit out of that form and let's go back. Let's exit out of there and let's go back to see Thursday or Friday's attendance. So I'm going to click on Friday's attendance and let's see what's going to happen here. Edit button. I want to see the responses. Again, I like seeing it in a spreadsheet. It created a spreadsheet. I can see the date, the time, each one of my students logged on. I can see their questions. Here we see it's Friday's questions, so we know we're getting the right response. And once again, I can change the spreadsheet's name by simply putting the attendance for the 13th. So once again, irregardless what the students typed in, I have a permanent record of when they actually were in. That's what I like about using Google Forms as a accurate attendance tracker. All right, I hope that's helpful. If you have any further questions on tracking student attendance using Google Forms, just let me know.